Mary.
And I'm Joy.
So for today's recipe, it is shared by one of our kabarkadas. Thank you so much, Chef Carl, for sharing this yummy recipe of pares.
Pares is a Filipino braised beef dish. Now,
It's also known as beef pares
pares,
because
oo.
we use beef. And then, pares means like it's paired.
with fried rice.
Yes, it
Okay.
goes well with fried rice. And I really like also, Joy, the soup that comes with it.
Oh, yes. So,
So-
there's a soup base that when you boil the beef, you can use that as a soup. Besides, sa town ko, hindi naman ako from Manila. Sa province namin, we have like parang karinderya, and then they have that one of the parang menu doon or na kinakainan talaga. So, very famous siya sa Philippines. And I guess you guys all know that. But we will try it here to copy that. And this is this is from a Chef Carl's, what do you call that? Version.
Yes. So
Yes.
I'm so happy that Carl made it and so good.
Oh, it's really
so
good.
So
Yes.
here are the ingredients.
Wow!
So guys, hope you like that recipe that we shared with you.
And if you saw the video, we had somebody from outside of our barkada who tasted the pares, and we got an approval that it's really yummy. Thank you, DJ Edwin Makabuhay, for tasting our pares.
Yes.
So till then,
Okay, you guys, see you next video. Thank you for watching, and see you.
bye.
Bye.
Guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.